Okay, hi. So me and my dad, who's right now is filming,
Check this out.
we were just walking home, just going home, and we found a robin's egg with a real life baby robin in it. I mean, it's dead, but still.
Want to open it up?
Okay,
This is crazy.
I'm just gonna put my scooter down.
Like, look, there's a beak. There's its beak.
It's dead. Bugs are all swarming around it. Okay, so this is, yeah.
That's its body. Poor little guy.
Yeah.
Wow. Should we open it up or should we just let it go? Like give it a burial or something.
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I don't know.
I feel really bad for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at it.
Well, let's give it a burial.
Okay, where do you want to bury it? We can, I don't know. I feel really bad. So basically the story is we were just walking home and then I saw something blue and I was like, wait, what's that? And then Dad went, maybe a pine cone? And then we went to go check it out and it was this. Its eye is shut.
Yeah, there you go. I made a hole.
Okay. Want me to bring it over?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go, little guy. I'm sorry. Okay, I got it. Here you go, little guy. Are you sure we should bury him?
I think we should give him back to where he came from the earth.
Okay.
What do you think?
I don't know if we should bury him. Maybe we can just put him over here.
Then someone will eat him.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ah! Ew, it feels weird.
Wow. We're gonna say bye-bye.
I might have offended it by saying it feels weird.
I love you, Birdie. Bless you. Have a good
Wait, no, this
burial.
one. Oh, poor little guy.
Back to the earth from where you came.
Love you, little guy. Love you. Okay.
We're gonna
In
put
a
a
better
little
place. Oh.
cross for you. You are remembered.